DWI cases in North Carolina are serious business in our state. I've handled these cases for 30 plus years, and I can tell you that when you get charged with one, there are always potential bad consequences. In the lowest level DWI, you face at least a day in jail. Most people choose to do community service. If there are more than one offense, then long-term loss of your driving privilege, all sorts of problems. But even for the most minor of DWIs, 12 points on your license, loss of your driving privilege for a year, fines, court costs, community service mandated, probation. You then have to also have an assessment and take classes, DWI classes. Again, all of these things mount up in costs, and you end up getting a substance abuse related criminal record that never goes away. So besides seeing your insurance rates go through the roof, having to hire an attorney, having to go to criminal court, having that black mark, it can affect things like your employability. There are plenty of employers, they don't want anybody who has alcohol or drug issues, and that's what a DWI signifies in many employers' minds. Also, if you're going back to school or are in school, it can affect your ability to stay in school. It can affect your ability to actually get accepted in graduate programs and other things. So you have to be very careful. So what do? You consult somebody like me who's handled thousands of these cases over decades, and you get someone who is going to go in there and represent you. Figure out exactly what's going on and help you make the best decisions, up to and including a trial. Nothing to be terrified about. The only person who really is going to care about your trial and what's going on in that courtroom, and it's usually empty, is going to be your attorney and you and your family. So again, you can't take this flippantly. I had someone from out of state yesterday called me up and said, "Hey, I've been reading about DWI, got one last week. I don't know that I really need your help. I understand I can just go in there and pay a fine." And I was like, I don't know what you've been reading, but you've gotten absolutely the wrong idea about how serious DWI is in North Carolina. I'm always here to help. All you have to do is pick up the phone. I will be happy to talk to you, listen to the facts in your case, and help you figure out what to do and assist you in doing the best that we can do in your matter. Just pick up the phone, give me a call. God bless.